Yo, Marv, how you doing, mate? Thanks for having me in your bathroom, dude.
How you doing, brother? Anytime.
Yeah. Give me a rundown. What are you loving?
Listen, I like to keep it nice, clean and tight.
Done. I like it, mate. So today we're going to try to refine your beard down a little bit using the VSForMen X3 Pro. The idea with this is you'll get your sharp lines, but you'll also be able to fade that beard in and out as well.
Fantastic.
What we're going to do, we're going to use this comb, we're going to brush down your beard, starting with the wide teeth first and then going into the smaller teeth. What this will do will sit all your beard hair in the same direction, so when shaving will give you an even finish. Using the VSForMen X3 Pro, taking off the guard, we're going to work along your cheekbone and underneath your jawline. So Marv, let's put the guard back on. We're going to set it to a 5mm and we're going to fade it from your skin into your beard to give you a really nice clean finish. Nailed it. Look how good you look.
Perfect, sharp.
Mate, you're better than me at that.
Fantastic.
Thanks for letting me come over, mate.
Thank you.